DAZA today it's Wednesday, September 7, 2022, and I just realized that I didn't make any video. I get some pictures, but I didn't start making video. And then it's never too late, right? Let's fix that. What do we have here? Heat sealed exhaust manifold, external wastegate, downpipe. All right, I bring this pipe inside with a pump just to check it how it goes, if it's bothering the EGT sensor here. It's not bothering, it's nice. A classic, I route the cables. It's free, by the way. It's not been grabbed on the heat shield or something. All right, it's free. It's through the heat shield here, and they're ending up here. It's been marked for which one, it's for which cylinder. All right, the output. Fine. Clamps been torn down. All right, external wastegate's been connected. Like I said, here it's the boost, and then this going from the boost solenoid, classic. Boost charge pipe, it's been connected. All right, now whoever see this, you're gonna say that, you know what, you didn't put the bracket full inside. You didn't torque it down. It is torqued down. It's just the cylinder head at this point has a gap. You can see there inside that the bracket starts in 100% on the cylinder head because torqued down all the bolts, all the nuts. Sorry. Same thing also from up. All right. It's been bolted down. Don't leave it to fool you. This space here. All right. Coolant, oil feed, oil return down here. Fine. Put a nylon back here because I want to take it out the engine now. Yeah, it's time to take it out, right? I cannot continue dressing it while it's on the engine stand, so I have to hook it up. I have to grab it with the engine crane, put it on the table with a new sticker to be nice, and start working outside. That's the plan, actually, and that's the this is where I have reached up to now. All right, I have changed the map sensors. I put the 4-bar, I think, map sensor. 4-bar, we included the absolute, if you like. I don't know what are we gonna do with the diverted valve here. I don't know if it's gonna last, let us say, for 2 bars the membrane inside, because double action, when it's coming boost, it's pushing other way around to don't open the piston. That's a different story. Here we have the clutches for the transmission, the seal, filter, a couple of other stuff. This one, I haven't seen the installation instruction for this kit. Definitely there should be some installation instruction. Now, I was thinking that this one goes to the downpipe down, but it comes also here up, because there are these 2 holes here on the heat shield, and it comes like that here, and this, it's supposed to be from inside. It's matching. Just only has a longer bolt. Most probably it has to come something here. Maybe the pipe for the cold air intake. Maybe support for the heat shield. We're gonna see about that. Worst case scenario, I'm gonna check the installation instructions. Most probably gonna be in PDF and I have to download it, or I'm gonna ask the customer. We're gonna see about that. So that's the plan now. Like I said, taking it outside of the engine room and continue outside. By the way, today morning, it is actually, it's almost 9 o'clock, 10 minutes to 9. All right, I took the transmission 7.6 from here and I put it behind the curtain because I'm still waiting for the bell housing. This is for a different video. Yeah, I know, I'm just saying, don't think that it's a different day. I just took it from there and put it back there. Yesterday it was here, actually an hour ago, an hour and a half ago, 7:30, 8 o'clock, it was here. Now it's not. So the inlet pipe, it's been torqued down. I torqued it down. This bracket's been torqued down. The only thing what I didn't do up to now, it's I didn't put the clamp in place. I didn't put it in place and I didn't torque it down, because this I have to open it again. What else? Need to be routed the pipe, but the cable, this is different, this is later. I might put temporarily the engine mount bracket here later on outside, and then the guys have to remove it to insert the engine inside. Yep. let's get it out. Let's get what I need. I need the engine crane. I need the engine crane and the table, and I have to dress it with a clean sticker. Hear that? You see how silent here now. Only this stupid thing is working. Let me turn it off. Turn off, piece of shit. Okay. Shit, I have also this one for checkup. I forget about that. There's 63. It's almost done. Couple of things. Should I use this table? No, this doesn't have a rubber. Should I use this table? This belongs to the customer. This is the donor transmission. Yeah, that doesn't have a rubber. Also this one. You're gonna tell me, okay, get some wood and put on, right? But there was another table. We had another smaller table with a rubber on it. Ah, it's there. Open your eyes, Tassos. Open your eyes. This is it. Okay, removing the box, getting this table that has the rubber, put a new sticker on it, and how we're gonna land the engine on that. And then, if I remember right, the transmission, the transmission is supposed to be that one, over there. That's the transmission. Yep, this is it. Yep, you see how big it is? It cannot be from Golf. This is bigger on the DAZA, on the Golf. And here the guys, they open a rail and they open fuel injectors, and they didn't block anything. Okay, the other rail does have injectors, but this has injectors and the pipe is open. How beautiful is that? I'm screaming all the time, block the fuel line, don't fail anything inside, nothing. Yeah, splendid. Moving on. Where is the engine crane? Did you show anywhere the engine crane? Yeah, it's over there. Alright, okay. It could be worse. It could be behind of all the engines. Yeah, we have the 2157 later, not now. Oh no. Moving on. Let me take care about this mess. And that's the setup. Table, new clean sticker, rubber under of the sticker, some piece of wood don't fall off the engine, obviously, right? It's been supported properly, it doesn't move, it's okay, it's moving, but it's not gonna fall down, alright? One thing that I noticed when I was putting the nylon, yeah, you see what I forget? I forget to pass the crank position sensor of the cable through this plastic clip. Yay, no worries. You can do that anytime, right? See. Not a big deal. Now, toolbox, wiring harness, some pipes. Let's stress it. What I don't have here, I don't have the AC compressor and the alternator, right? Right. And have the oil heat exchanger with the oil filter housing inside of the engine room. Yeah, I have to bring some parts out. I need the big coolant line that goes behind the water pump here at this point, Vaseline. And moving on, wiring harness for the fuel injectors, don't forget that. It's gonna be tricky to install it after that. If I continue, yep. Fine. Let's wash it all around. You know what I'm gonna do? Again, to don't be huge the video, I'm gonna upload this one. Because I saw the first video that I made, it was 7 minutes. Another 2 minutes, this one 9 minutes, it's fine. You know, easy to watch it at least, right? I need from the old down pipe the primary oxygen sensor and the secondary. Yep. There is one box with other parts. Okay, I don't have any fan on. I didn't turn on any fan, so I don't care that's open here. It should be fine for now. I have to turn on one fan, otherwise I'm gonna die here inside. Yep. Moving on. Like I said, I'm uploading this video as it is. Next one you're gonna see with the rest. This is straightforward actually. Pipes, wiring, bracket. The bracket, where's the bracket? Ah, that's the bracket. Nice. The 1, 2, yeah, alright. It's already in place. Already in place. Yeah, nice. Fine. That's it for now.